these transfers were made through bank accounts that were opened under my name, which include but are not limited to the following: China Bank, Legazpi Village, Makati City; China Bank, Main Makati City; China Bank near the power station at Ayala, Makati City; PNB Makati Metropolitan Avenue Branch, Makati City;
Po. Ito yung maganda mga kababayan, talagang rektahan po na sinasabi yung mga address at kung saan mga branch ng mga bangko yung nakapangalan yung pera ni PRRD. Base sa kanya, ginawa siyang dami ni former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte.
an unknown bank in Pasig City, si Raimundo.
If I may,
Raimundo, minsan nadadaan ako doon. Minsan napupunta ako doon kasi may mga kaibigan ho tayo doon no. Madaming bangko nakahile-hilera nga doon sa may Pasig. Yun nga, pinulit lang ni Mark Ramos. Pagpaumanhin niyo po.
interrupt Mr. Madriaga. Comsec, kindly continue flashing on the screen the pages of the affidavit from where the resource person is reading. And kindly speak closer to the microphone, Mr. Madriaga,
Opo,
please.
Madam Chair.
Thank you. Please continue.
25. However, I have never personally opened these accounts or appeared before the said banks to process any application in relation thereto. These were opened by people close to PRRD, who informed me that money will be transferred to these accounts for intelligence operation and for laundering. I was later
For laundering, tama ba? Yung narinig ko? And for laundering? Atras nga natin konti.
money will be transferred to these accounts for intelligence operation and for laundering. I was later instructed to sign entire checkbook where the amounts and pays are left blank. I agreed to do this because at the time I had complete trust in PRD and his close associates. 26.
O kung totoo itong sinasabi ni Ramil Madriaga, gamit na gamit pala talaga ni dating Pangulong Duterte. Itong si Ramil Madriaga. Kaya pala ganun ang nakikita kong reaksyon doon sa yung isang party list. Mga bossing, yung Duterte Youth, nagagalaite kasi hindi sila nanalo, hindi sila pinayagan na makaupo. Kaya pala nanggagalaite dito kay Madriaga, talagang merong halong pagbabanta. Nako, pag Madriaga, pag nagpalit ng administrasyon, lagot ka talaga, something like that di ba? Tsaka mapapansin nyo si Ramil Madriaga, habang isinasalaysay po itong mga ito, mga kababayan, naiyak siya. Naiyak siya siguro sa isip-isip niya, grabe ito, pinagkatiwalaan, minahal ko itong mga ito, tapos ito ang gagawin.